A global Thanksgiving journey, celebrating unity across borders. Hey, Global Edits fam. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore and celebrate cultural events from around the world. Today, we're diving into the rich history and diverse celebrations of Thanksgiving, not just in the United States, but across the globe. So, buckle up for a global journey of gratitude. Thanksgiving has its roots in the early 17th century when Pilgrims and Native Americans came together for a harvest feast in what is now the United States. But did you know that similar celebrations of gratitude exist in various cultures worldwide? From ancient harvest festivals to religious ceremonies, expressions of thanks are woven into the tapestry of human history. Now, let's fast forward to the present day. Thanksgiving is not just an American holiday, it's a global phenomenon. In Canada, our northern neighbors celebrate their own Thanksgiving in October. Meanwhile, countries like Liberia, Grenada, and Norfolk Island have their unique ways of giving thanks. Let's take a closer look at these diverse traditions that bind communities together. Okay, you've got the history, and you've seen how Thanksgiving is celebrated worldwide. Now, let's talk about how you can bring a global touch to your own Thanksgiving celebration. Whether you're in the United States or beyond, incorporating diverse dishes, sharing gratitude in multiple languages, and embracing cultural traditions can make your Thanksgiving truly international. Thanksgiving is not just about the food, it's about coming together and fostering a sense of unity and gratitude. In today's interconnected world, we can learn a lot from the spirit of Thanksgiving, bridging gaps, understanding different perspectives, and appreciating the richness of our global tapestry. And there you have it, Global Edits fam. Thanksgiving isn't confined to borders, it's a celebration that transcends cultures and brings people together. So, as you gather with your loved ones this Thanksgiving, take a moment to appreciate the global connections that make our world a diverse and beautiful place. If you enjoyed this journey around the world of Thanksgiving, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Global Edits, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay grateful and stay global.